House today passed demands for grants amounting to 5,471 crore, 91 lakh and 2,000 rupees for various departments for financial year 2026-27. Finance in charge and Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand moved the demands for grants for various departments in the House today. The approved allocations include 349 crore 10 lakh 69,000 rupees for state legislature, 14 crore 16 lakh 70,000 rupees for Council of Ministers, 149 crore 27,000 rupees for Secretariat, 137 crore 54 lakh rupees for Land Resources, 3,183 crore 97 lakh rupees for Police, 884 crore 51 lakh rupees for Public Works Department, 85 crore 13 lakh rupees for Textiles, Commerce and Industries, 405 crore 90 lakh rupees for Power, 102 crore 14 lakh rupees for Youth Affairs and Sports, 52 crore 40 lakh rupees for Art and Culture, 37 crore 37 lakh rupees for Jails, 5 crore 56 lakh rupees for Printing, 43 crore 73 lakh rupees for Fisheries and 21 crore 34 lakh rupees for Economics and Statistics. During the discussion, opposition MLA Kasham Megachandra moved cut motions on the demands for grants of the Police, Public Works Department, Youth Affairs and Sports and the Art and Culture departments, raising various issues including the upcoming census. However, the demands for grants were passed by the House without any opposition.